Hi guys, welcome to our channel Be Fit with Arvind. So today I'm back again with one more new 5 to 10 minutes HIIT session workout. So this is basically again for the full body, and let's get started guys. So if you're still new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when we post a new video. So let's get started. So let's do some warm-up and then the main exercise, and then we'll end with the cool down. So we have total 5 exercises in this HIIT workout routine. The first one is jumping jacks. The second one is lunges with knee raises. And the third one is alternative knee raises. And fourth one is squats with leg kicks. And fifth one is high knees or running in the same place. So we do each exercise for 45 seconds and 15 seconds rest, and so you can do 3 to 4 sets of these exercises. So let's start with our first exercise, jumping jacks, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now we take a 15 seconds rest and next start with lunges with knee raises. So we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now we'll do the same exercise other side. Now we take a 15 seconds rest and so we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now we take a 15 seconds rest and so we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now we take a 15 seconds rest. So we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
These are main exercise, guys. So these 5 exercises you can repeat 2 to 3 times, and please don't forget to warm up first and then also do a cool down. Now we'll see some cool down exercises. that's all for this workout, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this workout, please try it, and do let me know if you want me to post more and more workout videos in the comment section. So that's all, guys. If you're still new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post my new video. Till then, bye bye, guys. Love you all. See you with one more new vlog.